So here's how to download Avowed on Xbox. So all you have to do is power on your Xbox and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the search icon in the top menu. And then from this search menu, all you have to do is type in the word Avowed. Now, as you type in, you should see suggested results or the results. So from here, find the one that you prefer. So there's the premium upgrade add-on, there's the standard add-on, or rather standard edition, sorry. There's the premium edition, and then there's the normal edition. So all you have to do is just select the one you prefer. And since I have Game Pass, I can simply install it. But let's say, for instance, if you want this particular premium version, all you have to do is select it. And then from here, you can simply buy it from here, and then you can download the game. Now, since I have Game Pass, there's no need for me to buy that game. So I'll just select the standard version. And then from here, you should see this install included with the Game Pass. So click on install and give it a few seconds. And now you should see the game is being installed on your Xbox. Now you can check the progress of the game. So all you have to do is simply come to this top menu and select my games and apps. And then from here, scroll down until you get to manage. Select it and then select queue. And now you should see the download progress of that particular game. So that's basically it on how to download this game on your Xbox. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.